In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT as a creative writing assistant to craft and refine a short story. Let's get started. I begin by setting a custom persona, instructing the AI to act as a professional writer focused on compelling hooks and structured narratives. ChatGPT acknowledges the instructions and provides a clear breakdown of how it will manage my story's structure, pacing, and character development. Now, I provide a specific prompt about a burned-out software engineer who goes on a solo road trip to rediscover himself and find clarity. The AI produces a reflective story about a man named Daniel who finally steps away from his screens to find a moment of peace on the open road. The narrative captures his transition from technical burnout to emotional awareness, highlighted by a sudden message from a friend named Maya. After reviewing the draft, I decide to experiment with the opening to see which style works best. I ask the AI to rewrite the first paragraph using 3 different techniques: an action-driven opening, a striking image, and an internal monologue. ChatGPT quickly generates these variations, giving me a range of options from a sharp, sudden start to a more atmospheric and psychological introduction. Each version offers a unique way to hook the reader while staying under 5 sentences as requested. This process shows how easily you can iterate on specific sections to get the perfect tone for your writing project. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.